beat frequency. This is the toroid on the mag amp. My gain is really low right now, actually. It's 120 hertz. I think can't see it. Hold on. That was 200. That's the toroid over there humming that you're hearing. It's really cool how the plasma's coming through there. Just wish the heaters weren't so bright. You could see it a lot better. All the way down to like 10 hertz here. Still can't make it out. You only see you're only able to see it when the beat frequency kicks in, and because even the 10 hertz is still too fast. But you can hear the beat really cool. So I think it's based off the 60 hertz hum. So the mag amp isn't getting 60 hertz in, but the MOT over there, the power supply, has a 60 hertz hum, but it's rectified half wave DC going into the primary up here. So not getting any output yet, but I've just finally got these tubes to actually oscillate without blowing up my preamp tube, which kept overheating on me because I had to drive it with so much gain to get that transformer to work. But for some reason now it's operating much more efficiently. I've got these two 8K 25 watt screen resistors. It just spit up by itself. Anyway, those are on the screens of the EL34, and 5 microfarad. Well, it's a DC coupling cap, but it's really not. It's part of the mag amp. But then over here I've got two 47Ks, I think, or 100Ks, I can't remember what they were, just to restrict the current to the control grid on the pentode. The screens on these pentodes are running at about, I think, 450 volts, which was the B plus voltage over here, so I'm just tapped into it. So it seems to be working pretty good. I couldn't really get any conduction for quite a while until I got the screen voltage up high enough, but at the same time I've got the MOT running on a variactor, so, and it's only on about halfway up. I can't go all the way because it vibrates so much that I think it's going to blow the fuse. So now I can work on tuning because it seems to be semi-stable if I can keep it in this low state. See, I can still get my high frequency out of it. Oh, there we go. There's some resonance going on. I can hear it in the coil. Let me see if I can get anything out of it. Oh, shit. My ground stick ain't ready. Hold on. Let's just see if we can get anything out of it. Ooh, easy now. No, hold on. Okay, never mind, it didn't work. So, not getting any induction yet into the secondary, but this is a matter of tuning. I don't have any capacitance on the primary, so it's a straight push-pull, center-tapped, 50 microhenry primary of a non-standard output transformer. but the tubes are operating. I don't see so much blue on the other one. No. It's just indicative of this one side, the other one's flipped. Well, the other one's flipped the same way. So I may not be getting enough signal to that tube. I'm going to check that. I think I'm getting one that's conducting, so at least half the primary. Maybe I could flip over to single-ended and see if that works.